Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a pellet smoker. Mine's a Spider, but it works the same as a Traeger, Pit Boss, and others. Let's take a look at how pellet smokers work. The auger sits at the bottom of the trough and the wood pellets set on top of that. The auger spins slowly and feeds pellets into the firebox. The pellet smoker also has a fan that blows air into the combustion chamber to keep the heat and smoke coming. Unplug your unit, remove your screws, and open your unit up. Super simple inside. This is the combustion air motor that always runs, and this is the auger motor with its own cooling fan that runs only when you need more heat. Power cord comes in right here, and back there is a wire to the hot wire igniter. These are connected to the controller board, which looks like that on the other side, which has a wire that goes to the temperature probe. If your screen comes on but you don't hear a constant blowing sound, you need a new combustion fan. So a few screws and the bottom panel comes off. You can see the remainder of my blower fan. To replace it, you just pull the plastic blades off and then undo a screw here and one on the other side to pull out the motor. If you don't hear occasional running of the auger and you're not using any pellets, you probably need a new auger motor. To replace this, there's only 4 screws back there. With those removed, you can simply pull the auger out. If your grill won't light, you probably need a new hot wire igniter. So that little plate comes off. On the underside or wherever yours is, you undo this set screw and pull out this igniter. Pull it out through the wiring hole. Old and new. Swap them out on the wiring harness. In we go, and tighten it down. And if it won't come on at all, you need a new controller. Cut the zip tie on this wire bundle. Take a picture of your wires before you pull them apart. Unplug all the connectors. Take out the screws and remove your controller. New one in its place. Wires connected back up. Zip tie those back up and tuck them in here so they don't get caught in this fan. If you're having trouble maintaining temperatures, you probably need a new probe. Close it back up and put in your screws. Clip on my new probe. The Traeger has one of these, but it's built in. Plug and go. And there's our sweet smoke. Thanks for watching.